Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how I installed an 8 kilowatt diesel heater in the balcony and a small modification I did that I think it was important. Today we're going to see our diesel heater installation. We used to have here a split AC which was broken, and we already had this hole here. I removed the split AC and drilled another hole here for the inlet. That's just a muffler to get the noise down a little bit. Up there is a power supply for a LED strip, 150 watts. It's been working fine for 2 months now. Here's the control panel. Now this is a double brick wall, so it was a bit of a pain to open another hole there. In a perfect world it would be down there to have better air circulation. We use this diesel heater to heat up about 50 square meters of space, which is our living room and kitchen. That equals to about 540 feet, if I am correct, and it has been working just fine. Keep in mind it is a well insulated space all around with cement and foam insulation in the middle. Now here is the part outside. I've made a couple of wooden boxes, one to cover the inlet to the house and another one to cover the diesel heater. At the moment the pump is down there, as well as the fuel tank. I didn't use the original one because I didn't want to lift heavy weight and fill up the tank. It is much easier this way. When this is finished, replace it with a new one. Now here we have the heater without the wooden cover. I've used these steel pieces to mount it on the wall, and also these rubber mounts that I had from the HVAC. That gives an extra layer of sound and vibration insulation from the wall. And that piece there is the inlet for the house. As you can see, it burns quite clean, no smoke or anything. A very important aspect of the diesel heater's operation is the exhaust. You really don't want to have any vents straight out of the burner, as that creates a hot spot. Also, using the included clamps creates a leak, makes a hot spot there that may cause the fuel line to go soft and melt. The only modification I've done so far is replacing that clamp there, because now about the clamps. This is the one that was included in the kit, and this is a heavy duty one. The problem with this one is, no matter how much you tighten this, there's always a leak from here. I solved this by using this heavy duty one. However, the correct size is 25 to 27 millimeters. I won't talk in this video about the consumption And operation hours, that would be in a separate video on its own. Now thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.